Welcome to a new episode on the Technomora channel. We really hope you will enjoy watching it and invite you to tell us what you think of it by leaving your reactions below the video. And now, please allow me to present your host, Technomora.
Why, thank you, Julie. So now let's jump right into the new episode.
Also, liebe Zuschauer, welches Modell repariere ich next? Den Bang & Olufsen, der 901 oder der Blaupunkt Delta 2091? Wann ich zum Minimum 50 Likes erhalten auf diesem Video und genug Antworten, dann werde ich oder den Blaupunkt oder den Bang & Olufsen reparieren im nächsten Video. So here's a question for you, my dear viewers. Which of these two tuners should be the project for the next video? Should it be the Blaupunkt, the Delta 2091, or should it be the Biomaster 901? So if I get at least 50 likes for the video and I get enough responses for either model, well then that will be the model I will repair and restore next. Alors, chers spectateurs, quel modèle devrais-je restaurer et réparer dans le prochain vidéo? Soit le Blaupunkt 2091 ou le Bang & Olufsen 901. Si je reçois au moins 50 likes sous ce vidéo-ci et assez de réponses pour pouvoir choisir le modèle, eh bien alors, le prochain vidéo sera sur la restauration et la réparation d'un des deux modèles. À vous le choix. Some time ago, I restored the Sony TA-88 tuner and the Sony TA-88 amplifier. But I didn't have a good pair of speakers to give you a small demonstration. So, I promised you I'll give you a small demonstration, so promise given, promise kept. I'm going to use a license-free song I downloaded from YouTube. So here it goes. Now a quick try of the tuner on the AM band. Keep in mind it's still daytime and AM only works optimally at night.
It becomes very, very powerful, probably stronger than any other tool to get associated together. This could be probably better than me to explain how divided politically Belgium can be, from backgrounds, completely different ways of understanding life in a completely different way.
Watch the tuning
and probably
meter.
when I arrived, it was a brave move, I must admit, in 2016. Is a neutral figure. All of a sudden we're talking about this variety.
He attracts and cover you. Coronavirus. Let's send it on. Talk sport.
Dean Ashton and Danny Mills with me this afternoon, and delighted to say the Oxford United manager Carl Robinson joins us, as he has done throughout COVID-19, to keep us right up to date with everything that's happening.
Alright, now I'm going to scan quickly through the FM band, but I'm not going to linger on any music, alright, because I don't want to get another copyright strike. So here we go.
Goedemorgen en terwijl je door met het gaat. Stel je gewoon even voor, het is 27 graden. Er staat une grande histoire d'amour. Oui, oui, parce que cette histoire, contrairement à celles qui en général finissent mal, ne finit pas forcément mal. I'm hard to
And that's it. So this will conclude a little demonstration of the combo Sony TA-88 tuner and Sony TA-88 amplifier. Thanks for watching.